Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I got this look. We're going to do a little get ready with me, and I'm also going to be sharing the 2 new scents that I got from Dossier. So stay tuned to the end of the video to see which ones I got and to learn more about Dossier perfumes. I'm going to start with a little skincare. First, I am applying my Clarins Total Eye Lift. Next, I am combining a little bit of the Cashmere Toning Oil with some Earth Harbor Aurora Serum. And then I'm adding some Clarins Extra Firming Cream, because girl, I need it. Now I'm applying some Clinique Camouflage BB Gel, which I probably shouldn't have because I literally just put oils and lotion all over my face, but oh well, extra moisture. Now I'm going to add a little contour color because I scrubbed all of my leftover Coco and Eve tanner stuff off of my skin and I'm not looking tan, so I need to add a little color to my face. And I'm also going to add a little cream blush just to give myself those extra clown vibes. Y'all already know how I roll. I'm also going to be adding some concealer to random places on my face, as you can see. Time to move on to these eyebrows now. I'm going to use a spoolie brush to brush my brows and then an angled brush with some brow pomade to fill them in. Now I'm applying an eyeshadow base. I just got this in from Alter Ego. They sent me this eyeshadow base and their new eyeshadow palette, complimentary to try. Now I'm going to start putting some makeup on these eyes. So today I'll be using a pencil liner, the eyeshadow palette, and a liquid liner. This palette from Alter Ego is called Shadow Kiss. I'll have their website linked down below if you want to check out their makeup.
Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day. Mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely. I know you don't wanna talk, but just pick up the phone. We could go for a walk, talk about the things we know. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day. Mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the
I did my other eye off camera so I wouldn't waste too much of y'all's time, and now I'm adding my L'Oreal Lash Primer, and then I'm going to go in with my Falsies Lash Lift Mascara.
What if you were gone to someone else, so we could never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and
Now I'm going in with some extra bronzer, but it's a powder bronzer this time. I think I got this bronzer palette from a BoxyCharm, I can't really remember. And I'm also going to apply a little extra powder blush. Then I'm going to blend it all together, and I'm going to finish off this look with a lip color from e.l.f.
it's too late for me now. What if you were gone to someone else, so we could never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me.
Moving on to hair now, I'm just going to do a little teasing at my roots for some extra volume because I can't stand flat hair. And then I'm going to straighten it just a little bit with my straightener brush. And this is my outfit of the day. It's a simple and chill outfit. It's so colorful and cute and comfy. So my top and bottoms are both from Walmart, my socks are Puma, and my sunglasses are from a little boutique in town. And of course, you already know where my earrings are from. They are paparazzi, duh. Alright, now that I'm done with everything else, it's time to get some perfume on. Dossier makes alternatives to luxury perfumes. They reproduce classic high-end luxury scents at a fraction of the cost. They are vegan and cruelty-free. They are also free of parabens, phthalates, and colorants. They have tons of scents to choose from. They have men's cologne and women's perfume, and the prices start at $29. So the two I have today are Oriental Vetiver and Green Verbena. So this time I have a perfume for me and a cologne for Alan. So the first one I'm showing you is the Green Verbena. The top notes is verbena, green leaves, and peppermint. The middle notes is orris, violet leaves, aquatic accord, and the base notes is sandalwood, gray amber, and patchouli. This cologne is inspired by Creed's Green Irish Tweed. So now this is my perfume, and this is the one I'm going to be using today. I'm totally obsessed with it. It's the Oriental Vetiver. It's inspired by Byredo. I think that's how you pronounce it. I've never smelled it before, but this perfume is so good. It smells so beautiful and fresh. The top notes is bergamot, lemon, and buchu. Middle notes is orange blossom, marigold, and violet. And the base notes is vetiver, amber, and cedarwood. Like I said, I've never smelled the perfume that it's inspired by, but I chose this scent based on the notes, and I'm totally happy I did. It reminds me of like a Lush Balm or something. It just smells amazing. So this is my total look. We're actually about to run to the grocery store, so that's why I was getting ready. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and leave me some comments down below because as always, I would love to hear from you. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye!